The localization method we saw in the previous video, using the Unity Inspector, is fast, visual, and intuitive. But in larger projects, updating every localized element one by one can become time-consuming and hard to maintain. That's where key-based lists come in. They let you manage all your localized content from centralized, structured data assets. It's a powerful way to scale localization without losing control. Let's create a list of localized strings. Each entry has a key, like menu.start, and a value for every language defined in your project. You can enable multiline editing when needed. Notice how keys are grouped by their prefix, like menu dot or HUD dot. This is just a logical grouping to help you stay organized. It doesn't affect how the system works, but it makes navigating large lists much easier. You're not limited to just one list. You can create as many as you need. For example, one for your main menu and separate ones for each scene's dialogues. Menu texts are usually shared across the game, while dialogues are specific to each scene and don't need to be loaded everywhere. This keeps your project clean, modular, and efficient. Once the list is ready, assign it to the localization manager in the current scene. You can assign string, audio, sprite, and texture lists. To use a key, just add a localization component and enter the key name in the dedicated key field. When the language changes, the system fetches the correct value automatically. You can also export and import your lists as CSV files, perfect for working with translators or editing in bulk. Key-based lists give you full control and flexibility. Perfect for organizing content, reusing shared texts, and scaling with your project. And if you need to integrate localization into your own scripts, Backbone provides a complete API for total control. Check out Docs for more information.